Hey everyone, so in this video let's discuss about where the market is, where it may be headed, and a recap from where we came from. And please note, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. We're doing it for fun. Everyone's prediction has been wrong. So let's take it for fun and comment below on what you think will happen next. So pre-pandemic, things were going fine. Real estate, normal appreciation between 4 to 6%, maybe 8% in some areas. And we are talking about Northern Virginia because I do real estate in Northern Virginia. And then the pandemic came. So pandemic came, we thought, oh, market is gonna crash, but it did not because rates were low and the inventory of homes went to the lowest level. Then came the stimulus money. So the government printed trillions of dollars in 1 to 2 years and everyone thought they are rich and everyone started investing in crypto, in stock market, real estate, pumping everything to the highest level. Then came the inflation and government was like, oh, we printed so much money. What do? We have to put brakes and push the rates higher and slow the growth. So then last year, the Feds decided to raise interest rates and mortgage rates, short-term rates. Everyone was watching the CPI numbers and inflation data. And sometimes third, fourth quarter of last year, the interest rates for mortgages did reach somewhere between 6 to 7%, and it did slow down the real estate market. Then we all thought we are going into a buyer's market. So buyers were like, oh, rates are high, market is coming down, we'll wait more so we can get even a better deal because sellers were reducing home prices. Earlier this year, the inflation looked like it's a little bit under control, and we all thought Feds are gonna pivot, and the interest rates did come down from 7% to mid 5 to 6%. Then a lot of buyers who were waiting to buy a property, and a lot of them came back in the market. Rates were low and market started pumping again. Then came another inflation report. So inflation came a little bit higher, interest rates start pumping again. But now we have high interest rates, still have low inventory and high real estate prices. So now for the next Fed meeting, Fed has reasons to raise rates higher because one, the unemployment is still at the lowest, and now inflation numbers came much higher. So we have all these buyers who came in the market expecting a lower rate, but the rates are high, inventory is still low, and the buyer is like, oh shit, now we have to buy a house at the highest price and pay the highest rate. Some are staying, some are leaving the market. So it's a possibility that the market will shift again to lightly buyer's market, because if the rates are really high, summer market is coming, bringing more properties, but who knows? But all I know is once the Fed start pivoting, things will change and real estate will even pump higher. So if I was a buyer, what should I do? I think if you really have to buy a house, I would buy a house. And rates will eventually come down and you can refinance at that time. At least you have a price locked in now. And if the rates go higher than where you get it, you're still a winner. And if the rates come down, you can always refinance. So let's see what happens. Comment below and let me know what you guys think.